This is one case study question from the chapter acid bases. This information given about some baking soda that is used in making the cakes soft and fluffy. And further, it says that the aqueous solution of the baking soda turns blue litmus red, indicating that it is a basic salt. Now, further, it says that it is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Now, using this information, we have to write the answers for this. The first question is to write down the reaction of baking soda with an acid. Now, although it's given that it is the tartaric mild edible acid, tartaric acid formula is very complex, so we do not write down the whole formula. Instead, we'll be writing that NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate baking soda, plus H plus. So remember, we just need to write down H plus. We don't need to write down the actual formula of tartaric acid. So NaHCO3 plus H plus will give carbon dioxide, water, and sodium salt of an acid. This is what we have to write down the reaction. We don't actually have to write down the molecular formula of this acid, tartaric acid. Further, the question is, next part. In the next part, it says, how does it help in extinguishing the fire? So what you should know that when it is heated, as you can see that when it is heated with an acid or acid, it gives large amount of carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide, as you know, is an extinguisher of fire, non-supporter of combustion. The third part, and that's why we say that it is responsible as an extinguisher, fire extinguisher. And what is the reaction involved when it is heated? So this is what the reaction, when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, what it results in the formation of sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. The last part, the pH value of baking soda solution is lower or higher than 7. As you know that it is a basic salt, right? This sodium hydrogen carbonate is basic salt. So therefore, its pH will or has to be more than 7. As you know that the pH varies from 0 to 14, 0 to 14, and 0 is the most acidic, 14 most alkaline, and 7 is neutral. So anything any substance whose pH is more than 7 has to be basic, or vice versa, since its pH is we know that's a basic, so its pH will be more than 7.